एंड वेलकम टू एन ऑल न्यू यूट्यूब वीडियो। आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक है, सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। बट बिफोर आई इवन स्टार्ट द वीडियो, लेट मी नो आपको लिविंग रूम कैसा लग रहा है, बिकॉज आई रिसेंटली डिड अ वेरी लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर एंड प्रोसेस ओरिएंटेड वीडियो ऑन ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग दिस entire place myself. You can definitely go watch that video and then come back to this one, because this one is entirely informational about my post LASIK experience. मुझे कैसा दिख रहा है, क्या side effects हो रहे हैं, some frequently asked questions, etc, etc, etc. Also, I've made an entire detailed vlog on how my experience of the surgery itself was, because on the day of the surgery I was vlogging, and also I got some shots from inside the OT and talked to the doctor, got my eye tests done, etc. But now moving on to the topic of the day, which is post LASIK surgery. How do I feel, what are the side effects, and I got all my notes over here, so let's begin. So first of all, I'd like to start with what are the good things that happened to me after LASIK. And LASIK hota kya hai? So it's basically one of the procedures in which you can get rid of your eye power, and मेरे को myopia की condition थी, and this treatment is basically for myopia only. अगर आपको दूर की चीजें नहीं दिखती हैं and आपको उसके लिए चश्मा पहनना पड़ता है या contacts पहनने पड़ते हैं, तो आप ऐसे किसी procedure के लिए opt कर सकते हो जिससे आपकी eye की power correct हो जाए, एकदम चली जाए, and you become like a 6x6 vision. Now there are many procedures like Contura, LASIK blade free, LASIK which is done with a blade, काफी सारे epicontura, काफी सारे procedures होते हैं, smile, and I think I'm probably even missing out on procedures because I'm not an ophthalmologist. If you're opting for any of these procedures, please consult your ophthalmologist and talk to a doctor first कि कौन सी procedure आपके लिए आपको opt करना चाहिए, what is your eye power, and what will be the best suited for you. So I can't answer any of the questions which are associated with particular use case, but इस वीडियो में मैं अपना experience बताने वाली हूँ personally, that what all happened, how am I feeling now, what are the side effects, or what are the things that are happening now. It's been at least 10 days since my LASIK surgery, so I can give you an experience based video on everything which happens post surgery. Now also this is like a major surgery procedure क्योंकि it's something in which the cornea of your eye, अगर you're a physics or a science student, you might understand this a little better, but the cornea is cut and there's a slight incision which is made on it using a machine. The procedure is entirely automated and does not last very long, मतलब सिर्फ 15-20 मिनट की सर्जरी होती है, but there is actually like some kind of an incision which is made, which is why it becomes a major surgery, because there is something which is, you know, cut as part of the operation. So this may sound very scary, but the whole procedure is painless, it doesn't hurt even post surgery, and because it's fully automated, it's also very safe. So let's come over to the good things that I'm experiencing post my LASIK. So I went for a blade free LASIK procedure, and the good things are that now I can see everything clearly. So जो भी laser मेरी आंखों में गया है, जिससे correction हुई है, that has worked 100% perfectly, and I can read everything, I can see everything. I don't need chashma, I don't need contact lenses, and I think that in itself is a blessing, क्योंकि मैंने अपनी experience vlog में भी ये कहा था कि there is a lot of hassle associated with wearing glasses. So I can see everything, my power is fine, and I did not experience any pain post surgery, none at all. मतलब बिल्कुल भी pain नहीं हुआ आँखों में, but I did experience a few side effects. So the side effects तो मैं नहीं कहूँगी, but a few discomforts I would say which I have experienced. सबसे पहली बात तो for the first few days photo sensitivity बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही थी मुझे, so I had to constantly keep wearing glasses, dark shades. In fact, I've been wearing dark shades for some of my previous vlogs also. मेरे पापा का जो birthday vlog था उसमें भी मैंने dark shades पहने हुए थे, even though it was night time. So whether it's night time or it's daytime, at least for the first 4-5 days I was wearing dark shades, indoors also, outdoors also, daytime also, night time also, क्योंकि light से बहुत ज़्यादा discomfort हो रहा था. In fact, अभी भी मुझे कई बार light से discomfort होता है, so I use my UV glasses, like मैंने अपने normal चश्मे में UV lenses fit करवा लिए हैं, so that whenever I'm using screens or phones, I wear my UV glasses. Right now also there's a light right in front of me, and that is giving me a little bit of discomfort. So I think photo sensitivity is something that happens and occurs post surgery for some time at least, and it may vary differently in different people. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों को 2 दिन में ठीक लगे, हो सकता है कुछ लोगों को 1 हफ्ते में ठीक लगे. मुझे 10 दिन के बाद भी ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत लगता है कि मुझे I need to take care of my eyes, I don't want to expose them into too much screen or too much of screen time, or I don't want to expose them to harsh lighting too much. तो मुझे ऐसी feeling आती रहती है. तो photosensitivity is one thing that you will for sure experience. And the second thing is कि discomfort and dryness. So your eyes dry out really fast because there's an incision that has been made to your cornea. So while that is recovering, while that little cut flap that is made in your eyes is recovering, it will give you some amount of discomfort because at the end of the day वो cut की वजह से आपकी eyes की capillaries वगैरह कटी हैं, and now that they're coming back together and they're healing, they will become dry more often, and you need to constantly keep using these drops that your doctor prescribes to you. So ये 3 drops है यहाँ पे जो मैं use कर रही हूँ. One is the Systane Ultra. It's by Alcon. So Systane is probably not a prescription medicine because this is mostly used as a lubricant. अगर आपने surgery नहीं भी कराई तो भी आप इसे as a lubricant use कर सकते हैं. In fact, if you work for very long hours on screens, this is something that you can use on your eyes, and I'm going to use it right now because why not? I feel like a new person after using these drops. So every time you feel that your eyes are drying out or they're feeling uncomfortable, थोड़ी सी grittiness हो रही है, griminess हो रही है, just use this. You will feel very nice. मतलब एकदम से आँखें एकदम से आपकी moist सी हो जाएंगी. Now the next 2 are prescription medicines, prescription drops. One of them is moxifloxacin. So this is like a antibacterial. So how अगर आपको fever होता है, bacterial diseases होते हैं, infections होते हैं, तो आपको doctors usually antibacterial medicines prescribe करते हैं. So in this case also, because I've undergone a surgery, I need an antibacterial prescription drug for my eyes. So these are drops that I have to use. Initially I had to use them almost 8 times a day, almost every 2 hours in a day. But now I'm using them 4 times a day because my doctor is also trying to cut them back for me. And इसके साथ एक और drug है which is like a steroid based drug, and I think this is for allergies, but I'm not entirely sure, so don't take my word for it because I'm not a doctor at the end of the day. So these 2 drugs have to be used simultaneously, same amount of times in a day. Simultaneously मतलब ये दोनों medicine जितनी बार ये डलेगी उतनी ही बार ये डलेगी. So अभी मैं ये 4 times डाल रही हूँ तो ये भी 4 times ही डालूंगी. So this one is called Pred Forte and this has a milky texture, and ये दवाई इतनी ज़्यादा कड़वी है ना, like इसको डालने के बाद मेरे मुंह का टेस्ट एकदम खराब हो जाता है. And I noticed this the first day when I use them. So जब मेरे को खाना होता है मैं उससे पहले ये मेडिसिन नहीं डालती क्योंकि उसके बाद मुझसे फिर खाना नहीं खाया जाता. So it just becomes too कड़वा. So this medicine is one thing that I don't like much, but what can I say? I just recently went through a surgery, so I have to use it anyway. And dryness जो होती है eyes में वो pretty much drop से solve हो जाती है. My doctor also prescribed a certain gel to me which I use at night time because I was experiencing extra dryness only. मतलब एक होती है normal dryness और मुझे हो रही थी extra dryness क्योंकि मेरा काम screen से इतना ज़्यादा जुड़ा हुआ है कि मैं second day onwards ही अपना phone थोड़ा देखना शुरू कर दिया था मैंने, तो मुझे dryness थोड़ी ज़्यादा हुई थी. And the doctor told me please stop using your phone as much. So that was all about the discomfort that is associated post surgery. Now coming to headache. Alright, so this is not something that happens with everybody, or it's not something that will for sure happen to you, but I've been experiencing some headaches on and off, especially maybe because I edit and I post stuff on social media, so I use my phone. उसके बाद तो definitely मुझे headache होने लग जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा. And one of these days, in between these 10 days, I started experiencing a really bad headache and I had to go off to sleep immediately. Then I went to see my doctor because I told her कि मुझे headaches हो रहे हैं. So she said कि come in because sometimes what happens is आपकी eye का pressure transiently बढ़ जाता है. This happens in very few patients, like probably 1 of every 5 or 6 patients. But अगर that is the case, then I'll have to prescribe medicines for that also. So come see me. And she then checked my eye pressure. उसके लिए थोड़ी सी numbing drops डाल के एक छोटा सा instrument होता है जिससे eye pressure check करते हैं. कुछ ऐसे bubble सा eye पे release होता है जिससे वो instrument measure कर लेता है कि eye का कितना pressure चल रहा है अभी. So my eye pressure was normal and that was not the reason why I was getting that really bad headache. So I finally came to the conclusion that it's probably my screen time and I should just be careful about how long do I spend on screen. And today also I'm still getting like this slight feeling in the center of my head जैसे कि मुझे strain पड़ रहा है बार-बार constantly. So today also I'm going to see my doctor again and she will check my eye pressure again because that is something we have to be aware of कि अगर eye का transiently pressure बढ़ जाए तो उसके लिए मिलना पड़ता है डॉक्टर को and then she will tell me the future course of action. But I feel like this is not something to be scared of because it is completely all right if you go through a procedure like this. कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको होगा ही नहीं, कोई ना कोई साइड इफेक्ट तो होगा ही, एंड यू हैव टू बी uber केयरफुल अबाउट हाउ मच यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर आईज. यू मस्ट सी योर डॉक्टर इफ इट्स हैपनिंग. नाउ कमिंग ओवर टू द फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैड क्वेश्चंस अंडरनीथ माय एक्सपीरियंस व्लॉग, इसलिए मैंने सोचा चलो एक और वीडियो में बना ही लेती हूँ which I answer all the questions. So some people asked me कि मेरी आई पावर कितनी थी before I got the surgery done. So my eye power was -4 and -3.75. I think you can get the surgery till almost -6, -7, -8 also, but the doctor will be the best person to tell you this. As long as your power is stable, and even if your power is really high, there are other procedures available through which you can cure your eyes and get rid of your glasses. But again, this is something that your doctor will be able to tell you. But what my doctor told me was कि as long as your eye power is stable, this surgery is for you. This is a procedure which you can opt for. And मुझे 7 साल की उम्र से चश्मा लगा हुआ है guys, और काफ़ी टाइम से, तो मतलब at least for the last I think 7-8 years I've been using the same number का चश्मा. तो मुझे इतना तो पता ही था कि मेरी eye power constant है, तो मुझे इतनी problem नहीं होगी. And the reason why your eye power has to be constant is so that your number does not come back. ऐसा नहीं हो कि आपकी eyes आपने treat करा ली और उसके 1 ही महीने बाद 2 ही महीने बाद आपकी eye power वापस आ गई. तो fluctuations अगर आपकी eye में कम होंगे, this surgery has a better chance of success. That's why it should be ideally constant. A lot of people had questions about which procedure did I get done. So I got a blade-free LASIK done, and मैंने I think ये तो शुरू में बोल ही दिया था कि this was the procedure, and I feel like it was a very nice process, very automated, very pain-free. मैंने अपने experience vlog में बोला था that it was scary. Yes, it was scary for sure because I was conscious the whole time, and that rightly so. You have to be conscious so that keep your eye fixed. क्योंकि अगर आप unconscious होंगे तो how will you even respond to the doctor when they're giving you instructions? But it was completely pain-free and automated, and I think that is what is the benefit of this procedure. Somebody also asked me how long did this entire procedure last. So the surgery takes around I think 20 minutes. In some people it could also take 30 minutes, but usually 15 to 20 minutes is what it takes because all the calculations have already been done by the doctor in advance. A lot of people ask me mobile laptop usage कितनी कर सकते हैं आप post your surgery. So my doctor actually told me कि on the second day, once you are done with all the post-op procedures, on the second day you can use it for 2 hours. On the third day you can use it for say 3 hours. तो ऐसे धीरे करके आप अपना screen time बढ़ा सकते हैं. You can't go back to your normal screen time एकदम से, but धीरे करके you can increase your screen time and you can start doing your work. Mainly मेरा screen time इसलिए ज़्यादा होता है because my work is entirely on my laptop, my phone all the time. Although my doctor did tell me that I can start looking at big screens and avoid using small phone screens, क्योंकि phone screens को देखते क्या होता है ना, we don't blink as much, and when we don't blink as much, हमारी eye का जो natural lubrication है वो generate नहीं होता, and that's not good for your eyes. And lastly, there were so many comments about the final destination scene. Guys, movies are sometimes very highly exaggerated. I know that scene was scary, but it was extremely exaggerated because it's a scary movie. You can't treat that scene like a fact and assume कि सबके साथ वैसा ही होगा या फिर किसी के साथ भी ऐसा होगा. And also there was an actual doctor who commented on one of these comments underneath one of these as a replies and said कि don't worry, the surgery is painless and automated, and you should do your own research instead of trusting a movie because movies are in fact exaggerated. So yes, don't worry, visit an ophthalmologist if you really want to opt for something like this and become chashma free and have a new look at life, new vision towards life. क्योंकि honestly मुझे कितना अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैंने भी चश्मा नहीं पहना और मैं बाहर जब देख रही हूँ दरवाजे के तो मुझे पत्ते हिलते हुए दिख रहे हैं, क्लियरली सारे टेक्सचर्स दिख रहे हैं, आई कैन सी एवरीथिंग, आई कैन रीड एवरीथिंग. इज अ डिफरेंट ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग. एंड ऑन सम डेज मुझे अभी भी सबकॉन्शियसली ऐसे लगता है जैसे मैंने लेंसेज पहने हुए हैं इसलिए मुझे दिख रहा है, पर फिर मुझे याद आता है कि ओह नो, इट्स माई ओन आईज दैट आर हेल्पिंग मी टू सी एवरीथिंग. सो दैट्स अ रियली ग्रेट फीलिंग, एंड आई फील लाइक इफ यू ऑल्सो वांट टू ऑप्ट फॉर समथिंग लाइक दिस, go for it. It'll change your life. It'll make you feel really good on the inside, and it'll also make you feel very confident on the inside that you can just step out of your house without needing any additional visual aid. And I hope with this I've answered all of your questions, and if you missed any of the previous videos, मैं link कर दूंगी उन्हें information card में, and you can go check them out. With this, I'll see you next time in another video. Bye bye.